Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Chioma. In today's recipe, I will show you how I made this great catfish that the outcome was so yummy, so delicious. But before then, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit on that red place that says subscribe and also turn on the notification bell beside it. This way you get notified each time I upload a new video. So let's get started. Okay, to prepare this oven grilled catfish, all these are what I will be using to prepare it. Over here I have the catfish, I have some suya spicy, some salt, seasoning cubes, red bell pepper, 2 habanero pepper, garlic, ginger, onion, and some lemon. And also I also have some olive oil. Okay, to wash the catfish, I will add some salt. I will sprinkle some salt. Then I will add our lemon juice. And this will help to reduce the sliminess of the fish and the strong smell. After washing it, I will now go ahead and pour hot water on the fish, and this hot water will help to firm up the fish. I will just leave it in the hot water for a few seconds, and after that I will rinse it with cold water. Okay, now I will go ahead and blend the habanero pepper, bell pepper, onion, ginger, and garlic. Okay, I'm done blending. Okay, here I have the sauce that I blended. Now I will go ahead and mix the pepper sauce with our ingredients. Here I have my seasoning cube, the suya spicy, salt, and I will be adding olive oil, like just 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And also here I have this remaining fish spicy. I will also be adding it. So here everything is well mixed. I will keep it aside. I will now go ahead and mark the fish. Marking the fish will make your fish more tasty, more yummy, because this way the fish will be able to absorb very well all the ingredients you use on the fish. I will also mark the other side of the fish. Okay, I'm done marking it. Okay, now you can see I have prepared the foil and the baking paper where I will be placing the fish. So I'll go ahead and place the fish on top of the baking paper. You can as well use only foil to do this. Now I will go ahead and season our fish with our pepper sauce, making sure that everything is well distributed. And you have to be very careful doing this because it's quite spicy a lot. I will now turn it the other side and repeat the same process, and make sure that the sauce enters the places where we marked. This will make your fish more tasty and more delicious. Okay, now I will wear my hand glove, and with my hand I will distribute it very well. Be careful, please don't do this with your hand without a hand glove. Okay, after that, I will just cut some spring onion on top of it. And some onion rings. I will now go ahead and wrap it. I will wrap it firstly with the oven paper. You have to wrap it very well so that no liquid will drop. So you wrap it as many times as you can. So after wrapping with the oven paper, I went ahead and wrap it again with 3 more foils to make sure that there will be no accident when it is baking in the oven. This is the last one. So after wrapping it, I will allow it to marinate for 1 hour in the fridge before we start grilling it in the oven. So after 1 hour, I went ahead and transferred the fish to the oven that I have already preheated at 180 degrees. I will be baking this fish for 30 minutes. Okay, while our fish is in the oven, I will go ahead and prepare a quick and simple salad. I have lettuce and carrots, and later I will also be adding cucumber. Okay, here I have some plantain and yam. I will be frying it. I will also be enjoying it with the fish. So to fry the yam and the plantain, I throw in a little onion just for flavor and the aroma. So I'll go ahead and add my yam and fry them until they are well fried. So I will also go ahead and fry my plantain until they are golden brown. Can you just look at that plantain? And here I have the yam and the plantain. They are ready. So I will keep it aside. So after 30 minutes, here we have our fish. It's ready. I'm just so excited. I can't just wait to taste this fish. Wow. Wow. The aroma coming out from there is amazing. It smells so great. Wow, wow, wow. And this fish tasted so amazing. Please give it a try, you will not regret it. And that is it for today. If you have enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Also share this video and let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section. Until we see you next time, bye bye.